When it comes to property management software, ClearNow is one of the top contenders in the real estate industry. But before you decide if it's the right fit for your business, there are 12 key things you need to know. Let's dive in and break it down so you can make an informed decision. First, ClearNow simplifies rent collection with automated payments. Unlike some competitors, it offers seamless integration with online payment systems, saving you time and reducing late payments. However, it's important to note that some other platforms provide more flexible payment options or support a wider range of payment methods. Next thing to consider is its tenant management features. ClearNow offers a straightforward, user-friendly interface to store tenant details and track leases. But while this works for basic needs, some other solutions in the market go further with advanced tenant screening and integration with background check services, offering more security for landlords. The third thing you should know is about its maintenance tracking. ClearNow lets you easily track and resolve maintenance requests, but it's more limited compared to the broader set of tools other property management software offer for managing work orders, vendor coordination, and detailed reporting. The fourth thing is ClearNow's rent pricing tools. It helps you keep track of rent payments, but it doesn't offer much in terms of rental market insights or price optimization. Competitors often provide built-in rent analysis tools that can help you set competitive rental prices based on local market trends. Now let's talk about the dashboard. ClearNow offers a clean and simple interface that's easy to navigate. However, it lacks some of the customization options found in other systems, which might be a drawback for property managers with unique needs or those managing a large portfolio. The sixth thing you need to know is its customer support. ClearNow provides solid support, but it's not 24/7, which can be limiting compared to some competitors that offer around-the-clock service. If customer service is a top priority for you, you might want to weigh this option carefully. Seventh on the list is its mobile app. ClearNow offers a basic app for managing properties on the go, but it doesn't compare to other software's apps that include more robust functionality like instant notifications, real-time communication with tenants, or even automated alerts for upcoming tasks. The eighth thing to note is ClearNow's pricing structure. While it is relatively affordable, especially for smaller property owners, it may not be the best deal for larger portfolios. Some competitors offer tiered pricing or more comprehensive features, so it's worth comparing before you commit. The ninth thing is about its accounting features. ClearNow handles basic accounting tasks well, but it doesn't have the depth of financial reporting found in more advanced software options. If you need detailed tax reports, profit and loss statements, or advanced budgeting tools, you may want to consider a competitor with a stronger accounting suite. The 10th thing to know is its integration capabilities. ClearNow integrates with payment processors, but when it comes to other third-party software like accounting tools or CRM systems, it doesn't have as many options as other platforms, which could limit its usefulness for larger operations. The 11th thing is ClearNow's marketing tools. While it helps with listing properties on major rental sites, it doesn't offer the same level of marketing automation or website management features available in other property management systems, which can make a difference if you rely heavily on online marketing. Finally, ClearNow offers a free trial, which is a great way to test out its features without any commitment. But it's important to note that the features available during the trial may be limited, and you might find that the free version lacks the functionality of some of its competitors, which offer more extensive trial periods. Overall, ClearNow is a solid choice for small property managers or those with simpler needs. It's a user-friendly and affordable option, but if you're looking for more advanced features, better support, or greater flexibility, we recommend checking out our suggested solution, which you can try for free.